Your freedom should not depend on your bank account.
That is the message from some Lorain County leaders. They're listening to former defendants who say the current court-appointed lawyer system is broken. But local attorneys are defending their record in the courtroom. And there are a lot of different voices in this story driving the debate.
Lorain County is considering major changes to its criminal justice system. I'm Catherine Ross, and the conversation about transitioning from court-appointed counsel to a public defender's office started out as financial, but it's evolved into a conversation about the quality of representation. While the scales of justice balance truth and fairness, the tipping point often comes in the courtroom.
Your freedom shouldn't depend on whether you can afford it or not.
The Sixth Amendment guarantees everyone access to attorneys, but it's up to local governments like Lorain County to decide what that looks like.
Whether we go with the public defender's office or not, we have to do something to fix the current system because it's broken.
Prior to becoming a Sheffield Lake City Council member, Aiden Fogel has been open about his previous criminal convictions. He believes that experience was in part shaped by his court-appointed counsel.
He wouldn't respond to any letters, any phone calls, nothing. And I met with him for 2 minutes before I was going to get resentenced.
Mark Ballard says he's heard similar complaints.
Where the first time they're meeting their lawyers, so they say, is outside these doors right here before they're going in for the very first time.
And this one is...
Attorney Zach Simonoff previously served as court-appointed counsel.
Everybody hates us until they need us.
He says the position can get a bad rap.
I say go look at the win rate of jury trials. I mean, it's well over 50% this year.
All three men are part of a study commission looking at the pros and cons of creating a public defender's office in Lorain County. It was prompted by a county commissioner who claimed the county could save up to $800,000 by transitioning.
The first one is...
Simonoff believes he was not accounting for other costs like full-time support staff and insurance.
If you're going to implement a public defender's office to save money, you're not going to save money. Okay, you're gonna pay more.
The study commission is looking at costs, but they're also asking for anecdotes.
Cost is a factor, so we have to make sure we understand that, but representation is a factor.
These are the two surveys.
The group has been sending out these surveys,
Such as prison time, fines, probation, or other consequences.
to people who've used court-appointed counsel.
How long have you been in the Lorain County Jail in this case? Less than 1 month.
And they hope to hear from others during a public listening session on Thursday.
And then there says, look, I'm taking this survey and thank you for doing this.
The goal is to find the best balance for the county.
I think this is a great opportunity to try and make some good positive changes.
In Elyria, I'm your Lorain County reporter, Catherine Ross.
Catherine is your source for news in Lorain County. If there is a story you want her to look into, she wants to hear from you. Send her an email to catherine.ross@wews.com.